Grief does not demand pity, it requests acknowledgement. Hello everyone, I am Shivani Thape and I am studying in AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today, I am going to speak about how various social organizations can come together to expose mental and physical abuse of women in Maharashtra. Women today, more than ever before, have gone against the grain of male dominated societies and cultures. But on the other hand, according to National Crime Records Bureau of India, a crime against a woman is committed every 3 minutes. 65% of Indian men believe that women deserve to be beaten and they must tolerate violence in order to keep the family together. And more surprisingly to it, 40% of women too think the same. What exactly is domestic violence? Domestic violence is a pattern of coercive, controlling behavior that includes physical abuse, sexual abuse, mental abuse, and financial abuse by a partner or an ex-partner, but also by a family member or a carer. There are various factors associated with mental and physical abuse, among which gender inequality is the root cause. Domestic violence has short and long-term effects on physical, mental, sexual, and reproductive health of women. So this becomes a very crucial social issue to study more about and to bring a change. So how can various social organizations come together and eliminate this issue? A term called Respect Women was published by the WHO and the UN, where each letter of the word respect stands for one of the 7 strategies to eliminate this issue completely. Relationship skills strengthening, empowerment of women, services provided, poverty ensured, enabling environments created, child and adolescent abuse prevented, transforming attitudes, norms and beliefs. Apart from this, what I personally believe is don't let someone who doesn't know your value tell you how much you're worth. So women who accept violence and think it is justifiable are clearly unaware of self-worth. Various social organizations must come together and introduce activities and tools for the women and for the children to build self-esteem. So now, when a woman finally decides to get out of an abusive relationship or an abusive house, she needs a safe place to stay and to plan further steps. On 25th November, as the entire world will be celebrating and campaigning for International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women, I feel we as a society must come together and start working on the idea of building at least one shelter in every city for the victims of domestic violence, a safe place to stay and with all the facilities I mentioned earlier. These shelters can also have counselors to whom the victims can talk about it and to help them get out of that mental state and lead to a happier life. Women today have many legal rights in India which can make a huge difference in their present and future life. Every woman must be acknowledged with these laws. So, at the end, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that from every wound there is a scar and every scar tells a story that says, I survived. Thank you.